What's going on? My name is Matthew Thayer. I'm a crown ambassador inside of this Akashx brand that is going viral all over the world. It's helping people every single day get started in the trading and the investing space, but on top of it, also helping people make an extra income online every single month. I'm so excited to share it with you guys. I saw this information 13 years ago. And at that time, I was going to school, I was playing sports, and I'm so glad that a friend thought enough of me to share this information with me, because I knew at that time that if I wanted something different, I was gonna have to do something different. So all it took for me was just seeing the information. And the friend that invited you to watch this video, they just wanna know, hey, do you wanna do this with us? And if not, totally cool. I'm gonna share this information with you guys. I'm gonna share my screen, and by the end of it, just let your friend know, hey, do you want to be a part of this? Because I know that if you see this information, you could be the right person to say yes and take this thing all the way to the top. All right, guys, let's dive right into this. Again, the name of the brand is called Akashx. But before we get started, just know that trading does involve risk. You know, the past performance is not going to be indicative of future performance. But this brand is revolutionizing the way people are starting to learn to trade. We here at Akashx don't need you to have any prior experience to be successful. Our whole point is to help you trade smarter, not harder. Now, you might be thinking to yourself, though, what is trading? And trading, guys, really is just the act of buying and selling financial assets to make money. Now, really what makes up the trading space is the Forex market. It's the US dollar, the Canadian dollar, the euro, the Great Britain pound, the crypto market. We got Bitcoin, Ethereum, the stock market, Apple, Google, commodities, gold, silver. What we're going to do here, guys, is we're going to teach you how to have great timing in the market, but also give you the tools to be successful. Now, Robert Kiyosaki wrote a book called Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Now, this book is one of the #1 best-selling business finance books of all time. In the book, he really breaks down how people make money in the world. He said that 95% of the world just exchanges their time for money. And he said because they're doing it based off of time, they're only capitalizing on 5% of the world's wealth. He said if you really want to be wealthy, you have to figure out how to leave the 95%. And you have to do what 5% of the world is, where 95% of the world's money is, which is learning how to invest your money, but then also leveraging a system. And that's exactly what we're going to share with you here today, guys. See, Josh Zwagel created this brand a little over 2.5 years ago. It's a very, very powerful tech platform, guys. Doesn't matter, again, if you're a beginner or you're a pro. It's all completely debt-free, right? It's all privately owned, but it's a place for you guys to learn and to be able to grow your income. Now, our flagship product is Tap to Trade. Now, our Tap to Trade product is a one-click technology where you can literally get a notification to your phone, tap the notification, and enter in the trades without really having to know exactly what you're doing. Now, when you tap approve, the expert on the other side will do all of the management for you. It will move the trade for you. It will close the trade for you. And this really is perfect for people that are beginners or just busy professionals. Doesn't matter if you have no time or you have a lot of time. As long as you have a smartphone, guys, you can utilize Tap to Trade. Now, this really is for people that don't know also how to trade. This helps you guys not have to know how to read a chart. You don't have to do your own analysis. It just helps you get the results without having to know what you're doing. Now, we also do give every brand new person $10,000 to trade with through what's called a trading challenge for every brand new customer. So if you're seeing this for the first time and you decide to get started, we not only give you Tap to Trade to where you do not have to know how to trade, but we also give you $10,000 to trade with. Now, all you have to do is you just have to pass the challenge. Now, how do you do that? It's very, very simple. You have to grow the $10,000 capital, a total of 10% one time, and then 5% a second time, and then you get live capital of $10,000 where you get to keep up to 80% of the profits that you make. Now, Akashx, though, is more than just Tap to Trade. We are an all-in-one platform where you can log in and you can take full control of your trading journey. So we have an academy that will teach you from A to Z on exactly how to trade, from the basics to advanced. We have live sessions where you can learn from real experts that know exactly what they're doing inside of the markets. You can trade with them. You can collaborate with them. We have different tools that you guys can use to make sure that you're reading the market correctly, like the scanners that we have that will actually look at the market for you and give you potential trade setups right there from your computer. Now, to be a part of Akashx, it is a one-time $179 and then $149 a month. And that'll give you access to tap to trade, again, the live sessions, the scanners, and then, like I said, the $10,000 trading challenge for getting started. Now, we do have an annual membership, so if you want to have one full year, you'll actually save a couple $100 there, and it's $1,500 that gives you, again, tap to trade. But instead of a $10,000 challenge, it's going to give you a $200,000 trading challenge that is yours just for getting started. Now, we do have a new membership. It's called the Gold membership. This Gold membership, guys, is going to give you an annual cruise that you can take with the community. It's going to give you a fully loaded $200,000 challenge, guys. And it's also going to give you access to this right here, which is our new crypto add-on. So if you want to get into the crypto market, guys, this is a great place to do it. We have something called Zeus, and we do have copy trading here inside of Akashx where you can follow our crypto educators, guys, and you can take every single trade that they take. This is spot trading. This is not the same thing as the Forex trading or the other side of the crypto trading, guys. This is where you can put some money in Zeus, and anything that our crypto educators do, you're going to do as well. Now, everything that I just talked about is the customer side of things. As a customer, you can waive that $149 a month if you would like. And how you do that is just basically going out there and sharing this with your network, your friends, your family. Now, it's not $3 a month, and it's not $3 a year. It's just $3 total, and that $149 is waived forever. There is another side of this thing where you can turn your influence into an income. If you just want to trade, if you just want to have the tap to trade feature and Zeus and start to learn from our educators and get your free prop firm challenge account, guys, totally cool. But now this side of the business is what got me excited. See, like I said, Robert talked about how 5% of the world understands leveraging money, but then also leveraging a system. I'm going to share this with you guys right now, how you can leverage this system and create residual income. Now, I had no clue what residual income was 13 years ago, but the minute that I learned about it, I was all in. See, residual income, guys, is money that will come in month after month after month for the work that you did in the past. With social media like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, you can share this platform, guys. You can share this opportunity with your entire network and create additional income stream from your smartphone. How does it work? It's very, very simple, guys. You invite and then you can earn. If someone decides to sign up with you through your link, you make $25 the same day. So you sign somebody up, you make $25 right there. Now, if that person goes and shares it with somebody, you also make $12.50 the same day. This is unlimited. You could share this with as many people as you want. And again, if you got one that got one, you make $12.50 every single time that happens. Now, obviously, once you get this rolling, it's going to be a little bit harder to stop because one person could turn into hundreds of people. That's exactly what happened to me, guys. See, I brought a couple hundred people out of my network into this opportunity, and that has now grown to tens of thousands of people all over the world. We have an entire compensation plan, guys, through this platform and through this company that you can go through. The person that invited you on this call, they'll walk you through how that works. Just let them know that you want to get started. But guys, I saw this information and I said yes, because I thought about it this way. I said, if this is real, I'm all in. See, the person that was sharing this with me was already making full-time income doing this thing. And I said, you know what? If you can do it, I should be able to do it too. Like I said, it was 13 years ago. I'm sitting at the rank of Crown Ambassador. And as you guys can see there at Crown Ambassador, the average Crown Ambassador, guys, is making $130,000 a month. Now, I don't say that to impress you. I don't say that to brag or boast. I say it to say this. If I can do this, you can do this too. All you have to do, guys, is get started, have fun, be a part of the community, use the tap to trade feature, get your prop firm, guys, log on to Zeus, have some fun with the crypto, go share this with the world, and we'll help you. You can leverage this system, you can leverage this video, and you can go share this with your network, and we'll help you go build a customer base, guys. but live the lifestyle of your dreams here through Akashx. But guys, welcome if you decided to get started, and I can't wait to see you guys soon. Let's go.